Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Angelo on Wheelz. Hey, why would you buy a Model Y when you can buy this right here? Let's find out. Alrighty, guys, so in the back seat of the Mach-E, it's actually a pretty comfortable place. The doors are finished very nice. There's a suede material here. The door switch. The back of the seats. I believe that's plastic, but it feels good. Vents, charging port, USB ports. It's a very nice place to be. Got the B&O sound system, memory seats. Very comfortable seats, like a sport bucket seat. Let's take this thing on a POV. Alrighty, guys, let's take this thing on a POV drive. So the Mach-E GT, it's a very nice place to be. You know, I have a very nice, comfy bucket style seats. They're gonna be heated. This does have the upgraded sound system. Very smooth drive, but this thing is powerful. Like, it moves. They switched the shifter. I believe it was on 2025 over here. So now you have the shifter over here. The power definitely puts you in the seats. There's no engine noise, right? But you can get a propulsion sound. You can also do the one pedal drive feature, so it automatically it uses the regen brakes to slow the vehicle down. I don't have that right now. I don't have it on right now. We're just driving it like a normal car. It drives like a normal car. Very nice finishes. Special stitching. Some storage. Just before rush hour, so there's a little bit of traffic out here. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna give it a go. And this Mach-E is brought to us courtesy of Apple Ford Lincoln here in Columbia, Maryland. This one in particular is available for sale right now, but you should definitely go to your local Ford dealership, check out one of these. Because when the Mach-E first came out, everybody was like, oh, I don't want an electric Mustang. It's an electric Mustang. And I get it, right? But it's not an electric Mustang. So I think Ford has done a very good job at making it differentiate. So now this is the Mach-E. Let's get out of here. And this car definitely moves. Just adjust my mirrors. This is a great daily. You know, this one in particular has 200, I believe 280 or 290 miles range. So, you know, if you have a charger set up at home, or if you don't, you know, have a charger set up at work somewhere or in the area, like this thing is perfect. 280 miles for a commuter, it's definitely great, you know. If you think you're gonna be doing long trips, maybe consider a second vehicle, you know, because electric vehicles are great, you know, they definitely come a long way. But if you're doing those long trips, you know, cross country, just rent a car. I would rent a car. I wouldn't want to put those miles on my car, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it drives great. It feels very responsive sitting here in the driver's seat. The car, I feel very in control. Seats aren't, you know, it holds me in place. And the car is fast. The 600-pound piece of torque definitely puts you in your seat. I'm gonna make a U-turn here coming up, and I'll do an acceleration. I believe the 0 to 60 time on this car is like 3.5 seconds, or like 3.3 or 3.5. One of those two, which, I mean, think about that. That is fast. It does have the Brembo setup in the front. It does have the upgraded brake system. So definitely the car will come to a stop very sharply as well. Would I get one over a Tesla? Hell yeah, I probably would. Because, you know, the Teslas are nice. But Teslas, you know, they feel like big computers, you know. This feels like a car. I have my dash, my steering wheel. You know, it feels like a car. I just, you know. However, if it has to be my only car, you know, I do like internal combustion, you know. But for a second car, like if I need a second car commuter to get me to work and back, I'm getting this. This is gonna be it. As a second car. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna check out this turning radius. And then the acceleration. Oh yeah. All-wheel drive, excellent turning radius. Yeah, this is a fast car. Let's take it back. Let's not get in any trouble out here. I'll put the links in the description. This car is available for sale right now. You know, it might not be for sale by the time you watch this video, but you know, we do get inventory all the time. So if you see anything that you may like, you know, just hit me up. We deliver cars anywhere in the United States. Or you can do business with the local Ford dealership, however you want to do it. However, if you want this one in particular that I'm driving, hit me up. It's available right now. June 24th. Got your 360 camera. I like that new setup. You know, you get a nice wide view, and then you get the 360. Settings on the car. your safety system. This thing's got everything. It's got the whole safety setup. You name it, it's got it. It also has Blue Cruise. Oh, it is Blue Cruise capable. If you're not familiar with Blue Cruise, that's Ford's self-driving system or a semi-autonomous driving system. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna take this car back. Again, you know, this was brought to us thanks to Apple 4, so I'm taking it back. Really appreciate it, letting us check out this vehicle. Anyway, I'll see you guys back. Alrighty, guys, we made it back. Hey, thank you so much for making it this far. If you made it this far to the video, if you have any comments, go ahead and leave a comment. If you have any questions, subscribe. If you like this kind of content, subscribe. Helps the channel grow. This is a brand new channel. Anyway, would I get this over a Model Y? Hell yeah, all day, not even a question. I wouldn't even think about it. But that's just me personally. That's just me personally, you know. Charging networks. Now you can just buy this little adapter on Amazon. Done. You can use Tesla's charger or you could use any charger. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.